Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the Windows 11 error. The system detected an overrun of a stack-based buffer in this application. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. In the command prompt, type the following command, gpupdate/force. Press Enter and let the update run in the background. Open CMD again as administrator. Now type DISM.exe/online/cleanupimage/ScanHealth. Press Enter and let it complete. Open CMD once more as administrator. This time, type DISM.exe/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Hit Enter and wait for the process to finish. Open CMD again as administrator. Now type sfc/scan now. Press Enter and allow the scan to run. This will repair any corrupted system files. Open your Start menu and type Registry Editor. Click it and select Yes when prompted. Now follow this path. HKE Current User. Expand Software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Expand Current Version. Expand Explorer. Expand Banner Store. Once you find Banner Store, right-click it, select Rename, and add Old to the name, Banner Store Old. Press Enter. Now just restart your computer. The error should now be gone and everything running smoothly. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.